everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I went to CVS. Yeah, when I come to CVS now, none of the tags are tagged, like nothing is tagged. I have to go to the red machine constantly to price check stuff. And then they have certain sales where I'm like, I don't even know if this will qualify because I've had to buy stuff before and it didn't qualify. So that's one thing I'm kind of getting irritated. I mean, yeah, I know they're short staffed, I understand that. But right now they're focusing on putting tags for Christmas that is 90% off, if you guys get that, instead of putting the regular tags. I'm like, people can figure out the math for 90% off, but that's what they're focusing on right now, which is kind of annoying to me because it's like, yeah. And then I was at the registers and people are like, oh, there's no sale price on this, there's no sale price on this, and they're like, yeah, we're working on it, we're just putting Christmas up. Anyways, I'm in here to share with you guys what I wanted to get, but I did want to get the Oral-B. I could not figure out what was on sale. I wanted to get the Eucerin lotion. Again, couldn't figure out what was on sale. Physicians Formula, I didn't really find anything that I wanted to get. I was going to get the Special K. They didn't have any that were $1.99. The rest were all like $6.79 for a box of cereals. Ridiculous. But yeah, so I did pretty good. I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So I had a lot of CRTs for Lysol wipes. Now, I love Lysol. I love the wipes. We use them constantly around our house. So I got the Lysol wipes. This one was $4.99. They were buy one, get one 50% off. And then I ended up getting the dual wipes. Now, these were $3.89. Again, buy one, get one 50% off. I used two coupons that I had in my inserts from last week, and it is a limited 2, and then I had a digital one that attached, so I ended up using 3 50-cent off coupons. I also had a 3 off of 10 cleaning CRT that I used. I used a $1 off or $1.50 off CRT, and then I also had a 2 off of 2 Lysol CRT that I used also. So I ended up using that. So we got 2 of these and 2 of these, and then I also got the Pantene. The Pantene was 3 for $12. I used a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, plus I used a 3 off of 12 shampoo conditioner CRT. So I got 3 of these and then 4 of the Lysols. So with all the CRTs, it came to $9.31, but then I got a $5 extra care buck when you spend $20. So if you guys think about it, it came to $4.31, or just 61 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. I usually say shampoo and conditioner should be under $1, and when you can get these like dirt cheap, definitely go ahead and do that. So that's one thing I keep in my stockpile a lot, is these Lysol wipes. I do not let anybody have them. Friends, family, nobody takes this. There's a couple of things that I do not share at all. I don't care if I have 100 of these, I will not share these, just because we use them like crazy, especially with like Ben, and you know, I find them just pretty much, I mean, I take my kitchen floor and I'll be on my hands and knees sometimes wiping the floor down. So yes, I also did the Oreos deal. No, I did not get the 75% off of 2 coupon in my inserts. I got one insert did not have any coupons that I looked at because I was going to buy that, but they didn't have any coupons. Water. But I am like, you know what, this is still a pretty good deal. So these were 2 for $6. Now these were going to be cheaper if the Special K was on sale at my store, but they were not. But 2 for $6, you guys are supposed to use that 75% off of 2 coupon that we got. I also had a $1 off of 4 Oreo CRT that I used. So without the coupon, you guys would pay $5 for this. With the coupon, you would pay $4.25. When you guys buy 2, you get a $1.25 back in an extra care buck. Plus, you guys can submit your receipt to either Saving Star or Checko 51. I like Checko 51 because this will reset. So you get a $1 off of 2 for Checko 51. So either it'll be $2.75 or just $2 for 2 things of Oreos. And I think $1 for these is a great deal. Or I got them for like $2.75, so it's like, what, 43 cents or something like that. I can't figure out the math in my head. But I have been craving Oreos lately. So I got another one, I don't know where. I got so many bags, you guys, so yeah. I was really into the golden Oreos there for a while, but now I'm like all golden Oreoed out. So I'm like, I'm just gonna get the regular ones because I like hanging them out in my ice cream. I've been like dipping them, so yes. I also did the Almay eyeshadow deal. Now these were $7.29. $7.29. I used two $2 off coupons for these. I also had that $5 CRT that's printed from the red machine today. Plus I had a 3 off of 12 cosmetics. Now I didn't take that picture up until, I didn't take the picture with the 3 off of 12 because I didn't realize it until I got to the registers and I had it. And it said, hey, can you scan this? They're like, yeah. And it came off. So I paid $2.58 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $4 extra care buck, making it a $1.42 moneymaker. I am not a huge fan of this Almay eyeshadow. This is the stuff I usually get rid of. I mean, it works. I just like, if you guys see, I like wearing bold eyeshadow. That's just the type of person I am. And I always have it match my outfit. But this is like a sheer. Now, I could give it another chance and see what I could think of it. But this is, you know, this is how it is. You know, this is how it is. Okay, I got one more thing in here. So I did the toothpaste deal. This was $3. I used a $1 off digital coupon, and then I had a 50-cent off app coupon in my app. And then you guys would pay $1.50 for this, and then you guys would get a $2 extra care buck, making it a 50-cent moneymaker. So you could do that. With my other card, I did the same deal, but I did not do the 50-cent app. I only have my app signed in on one name, and it's just too confusing to sign in and out. So I just did it that way. You know, it's still free. It's like, ooh, 50 cents, you know, not a big deal, but I was excited to do that. Then I got one more bag for you guys. So, what? I'm missing something. I did a Garnier Fructis deal also. So these were 2 for $7. Okay. I ended up using a 3 off of 2 coupon. You guys would end up paying $4 for this. Then you guys get a $5 extra care buck, making this a $1 moneymaker. So you get this absolutely free. Plus you guys make a profit. Then with my other card, I wanted to do a different scenario. So these were again 2 for $7, and I used a 3 off of 2 coupon. I also got the Suave, which was 2 for $6. Okay, so I got those things. I used that 3 off of 2 for the Garnier. I didn't have any coupons for the Suave. You guys can also submit to Fetch Rewards, and you guys will get points for Fetch. But I had a 3 off of 12 shampoo conditioner CRT. Plus I had a 2 off of 2 Suave CRT. So I paid $5 for the 4 of these, but then you guys will get $5 back in an extra care buck for the Garnier, and you guys will get $2 back for the Suave. So this ends up becoming a $2 moneymaker. So I got it absolutely for free. Yeah, and then I got another toothpaste in here that I got for free with my other card that I already told you guys about. And then I ended up getting, the Christmas, like I said, hit 90% off. And there was really nothing that I saw. Like, I don't need any more wrapping paper. I don't need any gift bags. Like, it's such a good price, but I'm like, I don't need it, you guys. Like, I need to use up what I have. In my family, we just reuse gift bags as it is. So, maybe next year I'll buy some more. But I tell myself, if I need it, I'll buy it. But they had other stuff for 50% off. Now, they had this, like, back massager thing. And my back has been killing me lately. And it's a cat. This was $4.99 and I got it for 49 cents. I thought that was super cute, you know, something we can use. And then this is my favorite thing, you guys. This was also $4.99. It was, again, 90% off, so I got it for 49 cents. But it's a no machine. Like, I say no to Graham all the time.
No!
I'm like, I'm sorry, for 50 cents, I'm just gonna get it because it's funny. Don't you think?
No!
So I just got that just because, you know, it's stupid. But yeah, that was my haul, you guys. I didn't go crazy, but I was pretty excited, you know, with what I got. And I got some good deals. I got a lot of freebies. So, got that. My total came to $3.37 for everything. I ended up using $27 worth of extra care bucks. I received $26.25 back. I also will be getting $1 back from checkout 51 when I submit my receipt. So my grand total came to $3.12. You got 21 items at 14 cents a piece. I think that is a pretty great deal. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all next week. Bye-bye.